How to create a successful YouTube channel, a comprehensive guide. Introduction. Starting a YouTube channel is an exciting journey that can help you share your passions, build an audience, and even earn a living. Whether you're looking to become a vlogger, educator, or entertainer, this guide will walk you through the steps to create a successful YouTube channel, from setting up your account to growing your subscriber base. 1. Define your channel's purpose and niche. Identify your passion and expertise. Choose a topic you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Ensure it is something you can consistently create content around. Research the market. Analyze popular channels in your potential niche. Identify gaps or unique angles you can explore. Define your target audience. Who are you creating content for? What are their interests, needs, and problems? 2. Set up your YouTube account. Create a Google account. Sign into YouTube using your Google account or create a new one. Create a new channel. Click on your profile icon and select Create a Channel. Choose a unique and memorable channel name. 3. Customize your channel. Channel icon and banner. Design a professional-looking channel icon, profile picture. Create a banner that represents your brand and content. About section. Write a compelling channel description. Include relevant keywords to improve searchability. Add links to your social media profiles and website. Channel trailer. Create a short, engaging trailer to introduce new visitors to your content. 4. Plan your content. Content strategy. Define the types of videos you will create, tutorials, reviews, vlogs, etc. Plan a content calendar with a consistent posting schedule. Video ideas. Brainstorm video topics that align with your niche and audience interests. Research keywords and trends to optimize your content for search. 5. Produce high-quality videos. Equipment. Use a good quality camera and microphone for clear video and audio. Invest in proper lighting to enhance video quality. Video editing. Edit your videos using software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or free options like DaVinci Resolve. Add engaging intros, outros, and graphics to make your videos more appealing. Thumbnail design. Create eye-catching thumbnails that entice viewers to click on your videos. Use bright colors, bold text, and relevant images. 6. Optimize your videos for SEO. Video titles. Use relevant keywords and make your titles compelling and descriptive. Descriptions. Write detailed video descriptions with keywords. Include links to related content and social media profiles. Tags. Add relevant tags to help YouTube understand the content of your video. Use a mix of broad and specific tags. 7. Promote your channel. Social media. Share your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Engage with your audience through comments and direct messages. Collaborations. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche to cross-promote content. Guest feature on each other's channels to reach new audiences. Engage with your community. Respond to comments and feedback on your videos. Host live streams and Q&A sessions to connect with your audience. 8. Monetize your channel. YouTube Partner Program. Apply for the YouTube Partner Program once you meet the eligibility requirements: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Enable monetization to earn revenue from ads. Channel memberships and super chats. Offer channel memberships with exclusive perks for subscribers. Use super chats during live streams to earn money from viewer donations. Sponsored content and brand deals. Collaborate with brands to create sponsored videos. Negotiate deals that align with your channel's niche and audience. 9. Analyze and improve. YouTube Analytics. Monitor your channel's performance using YouTube Analytics. Track metrics like watch time, audience retention, and subscriber growth. Adjust your strategy. Experiment with different content types, posting times, and promotion methods. Continuously optimize your videos based on feedback and analytics. Conclusion. Creating a successful YouTube channel requires dedication, creativity, and strategic planning. By following these steps, You can build a channel that attracts viewers, grows your community, and helps you achieve your personal and professional goals. Happy creating!